Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you what $700 one bedroom apartment in Medellin, in actually the coolest neighborhood worldwide, looks like. So let's go. Security first. So here we have the entrance and we have an amazing gate to avoid bad people to come in, and we have not only one, not two, but three lockers. You are definitely safe here. At the entrance we can also find a key holder where we can put our key when we enter, all our shoes spread around that we are waiting to pack because tomorrow we're gonna go to a new place. And right here we found all the kitchen areas and also the laundry area. So basically with the kitchen comes literally everything. So these are some stuff that we're gonna bring in the new place that we're gonna move. But we have a coffee maker, which for my coffee lover, it's perfect. I have coffee multiple times a day, so for me it's indispensable. But it's also cool because the place comes completely furnished with dishes, with glasses, and a lot of other type of furniture as knife, forks, etc. We have multiple places where to cook because to save money we try to cook as much as we can at home and also to stay healthy. That's the way that we're doing, and it's working very well. We also have a microwave, a super big fridge with multiple storage, and we actually can make water from here, which is something very cool, an extra features that gives point to the apartment. Here it comes also with the shaker, which we love because in fact here we have banana. We do protein shake every day, and that's also very necessity for us. Another super big piece, the washing machine, something very uncommon for us to have in apartments because in Southeast Asia, where we lived for the past couple of years, we have never had, which is something great because at least we don't have to leave the house to do our washing. In fact, you can see them all spread around there. And here we also have some extra space to wash other stuff. We just mopped, as you can see. That was very interesting. Here we have the dining area. So here basically is like where we eat. Sometimes we do some business meeting as well. It comes with two chairs with the underplate as well, which is very nice because otherwise we will dirty the table every time we eat something, as we already do, but that's another story. Right next to the dining table we have the living room where you can find Ryan working as always. Here we have a really big sofa that I end up working here a lot, which is another thing that I recommend, but I end up doing anyway. The cool thing is that it becomes also an extra bed. So if you have guests, they can definitely come here, and I guess it will fit probably 2-3 people, which is a great thing. We don't have guests, we are forever alone traveling together, but we have an extra place to sleep in case we are angry with each other. The place comes extremely furnished, as said. We also have the super soft blankets, some extra pillow, a very soft carpet as well, and a very cute table with some kind of decoration where I usually put my coffee where I'm sitting here working. Actually, we also have a game there that we have never worked, Crucigrama. Have you ever played it? Let me know. We have the second and only piece of mirror here, so we can't actually see ourselves. I really hope in the next apartment we will have a huge mirror so I can actually see what I'm wearing during the day. But going forward, here we have an amazing working desk that Ryan is usually sitting working here. Also a pretty nice ergonomic chair, which is great for working properly. And something that I really appreciate about the apartment is that they have this super huge window that lets inside a lot of natural light. So during the day, we even don't have to turn on the lights in the apartment because it's really lit completely. And it's very nice because they have this yellow curtain. And in the morning, when the light come in, it crashes in the yellow, and basically all the room is yellow, and it's very, very pretty. The cool thing is also that if you don't have anything to do, you can just stare at people, watch around, and commenting the cars and passing by. Let's move forward to the bathroom, which is here. And it's not very big actually. I mean, that's it. That's really it. But it's super functional because right here we have 2 mirrors. Put inside all your toiletry stuff. In fact, it's very functional. Clothes and everything disappear. Okay, maybe except our toothbrushes. We have a functional sink with water coming out. We have what it's called, the trash bin. A shower, which is not that big, but it's very functional. Like we can fit. We have our soaps there. Okay, behind there, actually, there is a family of pigeons that lives there. You cannot see see them, but it's like a hallway, which is a little bit weird because you can hear what's happening outside. But except of that, it's not a big deal at all. We really like to spend time in the toilet. Anyway, here we also have the toilet with all the toilet paper and everything. We can hang up here our towels, or also on the door if you prefer. Oh my god, that was dirty. And last but not least, the place I love to spend my time in is the bedroom. We have some chaos happening here because, as said, tomorrow we are leaving to go to the Caribbean, Santa Marta. We have a huge bed, which I think is a queen size bed, king size beds. I don't really understand the difference between those two, but the fact is it's big. It's super comfortable, come with 2 pillows each, and a very cute blanket on top. We have some sort of decoration as well, which I appreciate, and a clock that I realized that I never heard while I was sleeping. So I think this is the first time that I saw it. We have a light here on top of the bed, which is very comfortable, so we don't have to stand up to turn off and turn on the lights. A fan, which is perfect because it's pointing towards us, perfect height. A TV, where lately we are watching a lot because we are watching all the series of La Casa de Papel in Spanish to improve it. But we realize that it's so different that Colombian Spanish, like we can't understand Spanish from Spain, and it's quite tricky. But anyway, we are taking some Spanish classes. Just want to let you know. Here we have the wardrobe. This is my size, so like I can store all my clothes and my stuff and just close it, and all the mess disappear. But what is cool that I really appreciate about this place, that it comes with extra blank sheet and stuff, and oh, oopsie, and also a hair dryer there behind, which I've never used because even though Medellin is known as the city of eternal spring because the temperature is medium, it's still not that cold, neither that hot. No, it's still no. Basically, what I want to say is that it's not that cold for me to use the hair dryer, and I just let my hair dry myself, but it's cool to know that I have this hair dryer as well. The wardrobe is divided in two. In fact, in this side we also have the other side. There we throw the dirty laundry we just did, some extra hanging clothes, another extra pillow, which I really appreciate. Icing on the cake is that we have a very cute little terrace here to people watch again, or just throw our rubbish waiting for the pickup day. But it's very nice. Sometimes it's a little bit noisy out here. Wait, okay, look at here. And there is so much things going on, people walking by. It's just very nice. What I really like about especially this apartment is that you can hear every time the local guy passing by and be like, manzana, manzana. So basically you can run down the hallway and get some apple, because manzana means apple. The apartment comes with also a great Wi-Fi, so even though we have the opportunity to go out and work from some co-working space, we still decide to stay home and work from here. But Laureles, the area that we are staying, which has also been voted as the most cool neighborhood worldwide, offers so many co-working space, but also a restaurant with cuisines from all around the world, a great nightlife. Actually, 5 minutes away from here there is La Setanta, which is a road with a lot of bars, a lot of restaurants, music and going on, and a lot of food stalls as well, which I totally recommend to visit. It's not even that touristy on my point of view. I've been staying here for a month now, and we didn't really see tourists around the area. It's more like local people enjoy their night and their days. If this is your first time in Medellin, as it was for us, I 100% recommend you to come and stay in Laureles area, because not only is such a cool neighborhood to stay with a lot of things to do and to see, but it's also very, very safe. I honestly feel very safe going around the area. Of course, you have to think that you are in a big city, so use still the common sense, but overall I never felt in danger, and we really enjoyed to just going around and explore Laureles by walk. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what do you think about the apartment, or if you've already been in Medellin, especially in Laureles, and what are your thoughts about it. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week with another one. Bye!